Okay, the first step is to make sure your audio and video are linked. Now, if you're just using iPhone footage, it'll probably already be linked. To find out, get on your selection tool or hit V on your keyboard and click your video or audio. And if it's not selecting both of them, you need to link them. To do that, just drag from up here and select both, and then hit Command L or Control L to link them. And now when I click off and click back on, you can see that both are selected. Now, something that's very useful is having the selection follow the playhead. So to turn that on, you can go to Sequence and make sure this has a check mark next to it. Selection follows playhead. Step 2 is to cut the footage wherever you want. And you can tell pretty exactly where to cut by hitting the space bar to stop and start, and also looking at the audio. So right here I have a big gap where I'm looking down and coughing or whatever, and I want to cut this out. And when you move your playhead around, you need to be up here in the part that looks like a ruler. It's actually the timeline. I'll position my playhead right here at the end of this audio. Next, we'll hit Command K or Control K on your keyboard, and that will make a cut right there. Next, I'll move my playhead to the next part I want to cut, which is right here. I'll hit Command K to cut that, and then I'll hit Option Delete to ripple delete that, which it deletes it and it moves everything after it up to the playhead. Now I have some here at the beginning. My audio wasn't quite lined up, so I'm going to do that here too. I can tell by my audio track that the majority of the speaking starts here. I'll hit Command K and then Option Delete. Here's another section that I want to delete, just a part that I know I'm not talking. I'll hit Command K, move it over to here, Command K, and then Option Delete or Alt Delete on a PC. And then finally at the end, Command K, then move the playhead to make sure this last part is selected and Option Delete that. And that's it.